Welcome back, I'm Rachel, and in this video I'm going to go over the structure and function of the medial plantar artery. This artery is also known as the internal plantar artery. Firstly, where is this artery located? The medial plantar artery is located on the plantar surface of each foot. If we take a closer look at the arteries on the plantar surface of the right foot, we can see the medial plantar artery highlighted in yellow. Where does this artery originate? This artery originates where it branches off from the posterior tibial artery. The posterior tibial artery can be seen here highlighted in blue. What is the course of this artery? This artery runs distally along the medial side of the plantar surface of the foot. The course of this artery initially runs deep to the abductor hallucis muscle. Further along its course, it runs between the abductor hallucis muscle and the flexor digitorum brevis muscle. What branches come off this artery? This artery gives off two branches at around the first tarsometatarsal joint, a superficial branch and a deep branch. What is the function of this artery? This artery primarily functions in the transportation of oxygenated blood from the posterior tibial artery to the medial side of the foot. And that concludes this video on the structure and function of the medial plantar artery. I hope you found it helpful.
Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and check out more of my videos.